up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a thumbs up. We have Landon, Zoey, and me. And today, we're going to reveal Anthony! And we're opening Happy Meals!
What are they? Toy Story 4?
Yes! Let's get open. Let's get open.
Is that Happy Meal opening? Okay, that's one way of doing it.
Woody! I made it! I got Woody! Woody!
And now goes our burger. What? You said you would take it if without I have to take the bun off. Okay?
I got Woody!
Looks like you all got the same thing.
Hey, I got strawberry yogurt.
That's weird. Sometimes they do different things.
No, I
but-
think I did the same.
Yeah, I think you did.
I got Woody. Guys, I wanted blue tickets, and guess what? I got blue tickets! I got orange tickets!
And I got orange tickets.
I got orange tickets? I got none tickets.
Yeah, you have tickets in there. No
You
tickets?
got orange tickets. See? You got orange tickets. No, wait, you got orange tickets.
I'm checking back in. So what can you build, Anthony and everybody?
We can build a cannonball.
Let's see. Have you get all the characters?
Yeah.
We can build an RV.
Mm.
I got Foky.
I'm done with my
It's
fries.
Fluffy and Woody.
Woody.
Ah.
Foky Woody likes Foky, and Woody don't want Foky to get lost.
Yes.
I have Foky too, but it's upstairs. I don't know where it is. It's in my
Do you have any other
section.
pieces, Anthony? Do you have any other pieces?
I don't know.
No. Do you have any other one of these?
Stickers.
Do you have any other ones?
I have stickers.
I do.
Anthony.
Okay.
Anthony. Come look what I'm saying. Guys, look, it's a game for Woody to play.
That's right. Good job, Sienna.
Guess what I'm doing over here? Sheena, look. Stickers. Sheena, look.
Let's see what it looks like. Ah, cool.
Daddy, I just said the bread, not the meat.
You want that's called a Prince burger then. You know what that is? A Prince burger? That's just the buns without the meat, buddy. Or Zoe.
Can I open this? I didn't want to wait on meat.
What is this, balloons?
Yeah. You have to pop them.
Sienna, everyone else opened it. You can open it.
Okay.
Alright. So what'd you guys get? Tell me what you got.
Woody!
No, what food did you get?
Oh, I got chicken nuggets, fries, and apples, and...
I think you guys all get the same thing except for, so we get a hamburger. And what'd you get, Landon? Yogurt?
Yeah.
She got butt squeaks.
You guys want to say any closing comments?
No.
That's it.
I can't open my thing.
Okay, hold on.
I can't open it. This food is really good. I got the duck.
Okay.
I got the duck.
You wanna say bye?
No.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time. See you next time.
Poof.